Too much because we down.
Hey boo, it's your girl Jordyn. I am back again with another lit video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in to yet another video. Y'all seen that title, y'all? It is my birthday weekend. We about to get lit. I know y'all seen that intro. I already stopped in and did a little this and a little that. Now I'm about to head upstairs and get ready for tonight's festivities. Taylor's already upstairs, so I'm about to go up there and finish getting ready. I want you guys to join me tonight. Help me pick up my outfit, get ready with me, all of that good stuff. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and y'all stay tuned for the content because I am dropping videos left and right. So let's get into it. Room service. All right, you guys, so I made it back upstairs to the room. I'm about to get out of these clothes, do my makeup real quick. We're supposed to be up out of here by 6:15ish, no later than. I'm gonna go downstairs, take some pictures and stuff. I don't even know what is happening this weekend, y'all, so let me actually reel it back a little bit. We have just landed in Nashville, Tennessee. Baby planned everything. I don't know what is happening. Even in my intro, she planned all of that. I did not know anything. It was so beautiful though. The museum, I loved every bit of it. And then we had donuts. It was so freaking good. And tomorrow we're going to drive 2 hours to Chattanooga, Tennessee. And we're gonna spend the rest of our weekend there. So I'm gonna get dressed, take my little pictures, and hop in a car to an unknown destination. And I hope it's lit. She said it's gonna be lit, so yeah, y'all. I'm just about to go ahead and get ready, and yeah, see y'all in a bit. All right, you guys, it's the final look. I have to rush downstairs to meet baby, y'all. Like, she's waiting on me right now, so I'm gonna hop in the car. I'll insert pictures and clips of my outfit, but yes, I keep the earrings. I look good. I can't remember what it was. It was the Tennessee. The Tennessee tea? Yes. And then, can I do the French dip with fries? Do you mind if I see your ID for that drink? Yeah.
And can I have a margarita pizza?
Alright, so we just ordered our meal. We just ordered our meal, you guys. I don't have my tripod with me, but I got the French dip with the fries, and I got a Tennessee tea. I should have asked her for extra lemon. Yeah, that sounds really good. I need lemon for my water. And then baby got the, what'd you get? The margarita pizza. She got the margarita pizza.
Can I hang on to one?
Yeah. Can I please have lemon with my drink, please? She got the margarita pizza and she got a appetizer, spinach artichoke. So that's gonna be her. Y'all, this place is a fucking vibe.
You know, I would have went for the truffle
Look at my
fries.
baby looking all cute with her fine self. Y'all, it's a vibe in here. It is so freaking beautiful. Y'all, it's so pretty. I'm going to leave it, baby, and I'll be back on the way later. Alright, you guys, our food just came out. I am being a little basic, y'all, but that's okay.
my god, it's so good.
Alright, you guys, as you can see, we made it back to the room. Y'all, today been so lit. I'm a little under the influence, as you can tell. I had a Tennessee tea at the Relish tonight, and then I had, it was like, babe, you think that was 32 ounces? That last drink I just had. No?
Not like one drink.
I made 24 ounces, so I basically had 3 drinks. Okay. So your girl is. Y'all, but get to this outfit, okay? It's giving up. But no, for real, this outfit gave every little bit of what it needed to give. And I paired it with this cute little sweater. What it needs to give. I look cute. Y'all, this necklace. Y'all get into this necklace. It is so cute. I actually got this off Amazon. I'm gonna put it in my Amazon storefront. Yes, it was a great day. Y'all, we've been up for 18 hours since 5 a.m. So we about to shut it down. If you know, baby, you know. And I'm gonna hop back on her tomorrow, you guys. In the morning, we are driving 2.5 hours to Chattanooga. So gotta get up in the morning. I think baby said at like 8:30. So we're gonna hop on the road, and we have a few things to do. Oh my gosh, you just want your titty taken out.
Can you get out?
But anyway, y'all, I will see you guys tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. Good night. All right, you guys, so we had to stop and get some Bojangles. Every time we are south, y'all, we have to stop and get it. It be so fucking good. There you go. All right, you guys, so Taylor brought me to this country ass. We about to go. It's cute though. It's a little country, but it's cute. Country don't always have to be a bad thing. They're cute though. They were just like peeing and pooping. I don't want to get that on camera, but they're cute, y'all. It's a cute little place. We got our coffee, and Taylor has the food that we're probably just gonna like throw on the ground because I'm not about to be out here playing with these alpacas. They came really close though, so. You done? The bee! Whoosh! Alright, y'all, that's enough of this experience. We're gonna get the hell up out of here.
Here we go. Touch this one coming up.
So I'm just gonna probably find me like a little souvenir. Let me see. Alright guys, you guys think I should get a shark tooth shot glass? Every time we visit a city, we have to get, well, I have to get me a shot glass. You guys, look at that one. That is so freaking cool. Baby, I don't think this will fit on my shelf though, but y'all, what y'all think? Look, baby. Good morning. It is November the 4th and I am currently getting ready to head out. I don't know where we're going. Taylor just said we have to dress warm today, so I am waiting for my glue to dry a little bit. I had to lay my lace down, y'all. Currently rocking my little sweatshirt with the, yeah, this is just so cute. And I feel like I have to wear it right now because I feel like here soon I won't be able to wear it, you know. So I've been wearing this a lot lately, and I just have on some jeans. I am about to change my shoes to put on some tennis shoes because she says that we need to dress warm. I'm gonna take my curls down here in a moment as well. Hopefully this side is like looking how I want to look because it's been giving me problems all freaking weekend, y'all. But yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Going back down. Baby, come over here. Let's do a review.
So, how was it?
It was fun. Guys, we went all the way up there. All the way up there to the very teeny top. It's so hot up, y'all. It's so beautiful. That was like, I give it a 9 out of 10. Taylor is so pretty. Oh, look at the colors. Alright, you guys, so we have arrived to...
Oh, it's something on you.
On me?
Yeah, it was above.
We've arrived to Rock City. Not sure what this what this is, guys. But stay tuned. Guys, this is so pretty. Yes. Oh my God, y'all. We on a bridge. Oh my God, look at the views. What? So I'm clear, much more clear. Beautiful. It's so fucking nice. Uh-oh, there's me again. Guys, that was so much fun. 10 out of 10. Baby, you did so good.
Thank you.
I loved every bit of it. Although, yeah, I was a little hot in the caves. Yeah, a little out of shape, but yeah, it was so much fun. And baby knows that, like, I love the outdoors and stuff. Looking at, like, the outdoors and the leaves and stuff. God.
Try yours before I bite my
Alright, you guys, so it is November 6th and we're about to head up out of here, y'all. About to head to the gas station to fill up real quick, and then we're going to go grab some lunch before we hit the road. Guys, it was so freaking nice. Like, I enjoyed myself in Chattanooga. I recommend it. The best trip I've ever taken, hands down. I did so many different things that were on my bucket list. Baby definitely outdid herself, so yes, I highly, highly, highly recommend it. About to go ahead and close out this video. When you see this video, it will be uploaded on my actual birthday tomorrow, November the 7th. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on my trip to Chattanooga. The vibes were just great. The people were so nice. The food was amazing. Yeah, it was so freaking lit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye.